G'day everyone. Another little update on our GS 1000 SN. What we had was, we've had the turn signal control unit was stuffed, and these things you can't buy anymore. So what we found was, well, not me, but a friend of ours found online, was a guy that made up this relay system and wired it all up, which I did. And what we found was that it actually works. It works pretty good. What I hope to do is clean it all up, of course. This is only in the test mode, but what we've got is the flasher unit coming on from power, which is the original plug here. That goes on to power, and this goes back to the relays. And funnily enough, it all works. We chased our tails for weeks and weeks over this, and finally we just tried a few other wires and that there, and it seemed to work. We didn't have this one plugged in at first, and we also utilised another one, which I can't find at the moment. Anyway, so what we've got is, we've got all the lights. We've got the left side, and that's all going. You can see that flashing there, and it turns off, pressing down. We've got the right side, and press that down and that cancels it. Now the added feature, which I'm not sure is the standard one on these, I've never seen one before. If you turn on the left and go straight to right, it gives you a flasher unit, hazard lights, and they both flash. So that's a win-win for us. Turn it off again. So what our plan is in the next couple of days is clean up all the wiring. You can see there it's a bloody mess. And out the front here, we've got to take it all off and fit the headlights around, get the wiring all through that, and tidy up all of this stuff. All of this, it's going to be a bit of a task, but that's all right. We'll just tape it all up, seal it up in heat shrink, and that'll be good. And the back one as well, we've got to heat shrink a few things in there and organise that. So it's all starting to work out for us at this stage, so we're pretty happy about how things are going now. After that, we'll just probably fit the carbies, see if it all starts up and runs, and take it from there. All right, so I'll catch us all later. What a day it's been. Well, we've cleaned up the wiring as best we can today. There's still room for the airbox to fit in. This part here is a bit messy, but it's clear of all the stuff. Everything still works. We've put in the headlights around, and we've got the wires coming through, and all of the lights and that still work. So I've unplugged everything and put it all in, so we're happy about that, and everything still goes. We've cleaned up, we've put the flasher unit here, and tomorrow we've still got to find a place to run the electronic ignition. Rather than points, we'll just run that all behind this tab here. Run that neatly behind there, and then we can install the airbox and the carbies. We've got new clips on the carbies around, courtesy of AliExpress, China. Set of 8 is about $5, I think. Maybe 8, don't know. Anyway, got all that. So all in all, it's really pleasing to see that it's coming together. We fixed up all the tail light, shrink wrapped all of the cabling, the wires, and that all goes in there. So good-o. All right, see ya.